I'm gonna show you guys how to do a really simple, super fast and easy eyebrow tint at home. I just woke up, I just washed my face, threw my hair back. These are what my eyebrows look like naturally. So you're gonna wanna go to the store and grab one of these Just for Men mustache and beard little dye kits. I've already used this, so it's a little cruddy. But you're gonna mix it together and put it on your eyebrows for 5 minutes. So it comes with these two and it comes with this brush. You don't use that brush. Get yourself a literal eyebrow makeup brush. Then you want to mix a 1-to-1 ratio of the developer and the color base and mix with your brush. Now that it's all mixed, you want to get an eyebrow brush and brush out your eyebrows so that they are nice and even, so that the color can be evenly distributed. So I'm doing this one-handed to show you guys, so bear with me. Get some dye and literally just trace your natural eyebrow. Try to not go outside of your natural brow line because you're gonna actually stain your skin, and this stuff is kind of hard to get off the skin. So just continue to do this on both eyebrows. You do the other one. Now it's time to wait 5 minutes. Okay, so once you waited 5 minutes and your eyebrows look like the dad from American Pie, it is time, Eugene Levy, sorry, I forgot your name. It's time to wipe these off. So I literally got a wet towel so I can just wipe it off easily to show you guys. That's my eyebrow now. Anything that is outside of your brow line, anything that's outside the brow line that you want to clean up, I usually just get, I'm dropping everything, just get like vitamin E oil, coconut oil, put it on a Q-tip and just go around the eyebrow. Let me get the other one off now. And that's it. There you go. Just tinted my eyebrows at home. I'm going to compare this to what I looked like before. Take a little screenshot, put them side to side.